So welcome back to another Areas Happenings. Today I'm doing a trek in the beautiful blue sky countryside, but no, it's not, it's raining, as you can see. So, I've got boots on. let's see how this goes. It's going to be a wet one. Cloud is lifting, it's a brighter day ahead. Maybe, maybe not. You know, you see these trips and people advertise them with blue skies, but this is the reality. You take chances on what the weather's going to be like and you go. And we've got a group of ethnic ladies that are probably carrying lunch. And I heard this morning that from the guys that went on the trip yesterday, you're going to get accosted by other people trying to sell you stuff, even at lunchtime. You know, they just cling to you. I'm not sure how to deal with it at the moment. Anyway, let's continue our walk. We just stopped for a photo break. So yeah, do you know what? Sometimes having rain clouds is more dramatic than just blue sky. So the Dalek experience was bad enough, but this is just the same. It's slippery, it's pouring with rain, and these lovely ladies have been helping me actually get down the slippery slope. Really quite bad memories of Dalek, seriously. So we're going down there. It's just slippery all the way, so I've got to put my camera away. Right, we've got a hotel stop here. This is the hotel. This is my guide, our guide.
She bring me to this hotel.
Yes, it's a wonderful hotel. And all the boys and girls want us to buy a little something. I know, I don't want anything, I'm sorry. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Be good. Get lots of money from people.
But a lot of people were saying that they should.
We're coming to a homestead, I believe. Out of the thickness. So muddy. Oh, the first person to fall, which is not surprising. That's my good helper. She got really messy. This lady here is 75 years old. She's been helping me, holding my hand. I've been helping her and she's been helping me. Rice terraces, still raining, 20 ducks. Finally, the sun has come out, so everything looks much brighter now. maybe we'll dry out a little bit. Feel very wet all the way through actually.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sunny.
How many kilometres do we walk?
9.
9 kilometres, okay.
So now we go down here, we stop for lunch.
Sounds like
This
a good
second
idea.
village.
Yeah, lovely.
Now try.
Thank you, lovely.
And this is a school, the big building.
Yeah.
So this village here really like 3,000 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it just goes from
Just
here
along
up into the hills.
Up to the hill.
Yeah, lovely.
Also up to the top.
Yeah. That's beautiful. Yeah, my friends.
Snatching or camera?
Camera, video.
Okay. I think they want to cut the COVID snatching.
Well, that's much easier than walking.
Hello?
Where are we? Up there. The local man folk. I don't know, are we here? No, maybe. Is that my group? Oh, hello. I think I'll go in this one.
Yeah, it's mine. I lose
Yeah.
one.
Oh, I've got 2 friends tagging me
Oh
though.
yeah, I want to leave you here. Should be a local man.
Yeah, she'd like me to be a local man, I think.
Okay, sit down.
Oh. Our little walking group. Little restaurant. The children have gone now. They were very persistent. I buy something, but I gave all my small money away, so you know. Anyway.
So we use this
So
to
what?
drown the
So
show.
again. So when?
When we put when the water go inside,
Yeah.
and when the water goes,
물레방아.
So at the moment it's too strong.
the water go inside, and yeah, and then going down to town the show on the right.
Okay.
This long time ago in the village, with the local people, we don't have machine to tell the show. More the people have this. But right now, more people they use machine to plug the show.
Yeah, yeah. So the rice is browned in there. Okay, yeah.
So this is water in the dough. We using this to dye the clothes for the colors.
Oh, okay, so dyeing. Okay.
So this is like a batik.
Yeah, a lot of batik.
So this is batik. This one when they do the bees wax. They do the
Weaving.
So this is hands weaving.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And then we need to have these 2 medical flour. We medical flour we cook with the rice. So locally each the family we eat the corn flour with the rice. But probably more than 10 years to now, the government help the people in the village to change different seed. So we can harvest more rice in the same field, and we just keep the corn flour for feed the animal, for chicken or pig.
That's quite hard, isn't it? I tried one of these. Well, that's easier. That's how you grind it down.
Try? Yeah. Try.
She make.
We just try like that and put them.
It's really hard to do it. You made it look easy.
First,
Anyone else want to try? It's hard.
Yeah, it is hard. And I have a hole in my Wellington and a big hole in my sock. Not very comfortable. warming up now. So this is a village and all its lovely people. We've lost all the ladies that were helping us because we don't need them anymore. We have 1 hour walking and then we get a car that picks us up. But the rice not ready.
Not ready for harvest.
Maybe
yet.
3 months or
Yeah.
But some have been harvested in some places.
Yeah, it's like in the south.
Do you do?
In the south, they do 2 times a year, and here we have 1 time a year.
So in the south
Here
too.
in the north, so it's a little bit colder, so time more time.
Okay.
So total we actually write for 6 months together. But in the south, you can do like.
You can
4
do
months.
2.
Yeah, so a little bit.
2
earlier.
crops. Only 1 in the north.
So this we will harvest as September.
And it's raining again. Little homestead.
Oh, the chick!
Oh look, that was sweet.
Look! The chick!
Yeah, dinner I think. He doesn't look very healthy. Oh, hello. Beautiful. I know we eat them, but it's all right. I don't like to put the 2 things together.
I can feel guiltless while stroking them.
Yeah. You like that?
My language Hmong, but the song they hear the same similar to Chinese, yeah. Not very different. Not Chinese. But like 1, 2 is same Chinese. Because Chinese they say we say E-R, so E-R is same Chinese, but otherwise
E-R Sansu.
Yeah, E-R Sansu.
Yeah.
Oh, you speak Chinese?
I can just count up to 10, but I think so. But I always miss one of the numbers. E-R Sansu Wu.
No, I don't know.
Li,
but my language.
Bajio, Zi. I get lost.
Oh.
What's the ethnic group here in this?
We speak Hmong.
Hmong.
Hmong, yeah.
So
we not sure how many years ago, but I hear like my grandparents that talk saying before my tribe Hmong, we come from Mongolia, so we come from China.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so close.
Yeah.
So close to the Chinese border.
Yeah, but the language totally different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went to the ethnic museum in Hanoi. It showed you all the different ethnic groups in the whole of, well, the whole of Vietnam. And when I was in China to see the Yao ladies in their beautiful costumes, wonderful. Another little dog.
Hey guys.
Here's a cutie. Here he comes. Oh.
Hello, guy. He's giving big side eye.
So now she is doing one by one, rounding and her hand to get very long. We need like many thousand meter long, and then we put together like other weaving that we make weaving. So every time we are doing, we take.
Is that ash?
Yeah, this is ash. She use the ash to make the not very slippery, easy to to rounding. So you see, every time we are doing like this, so should be, you know, like this, the hem on the top should be on the top, and underground should be underground. So you have to doing like this. You have to doing like this and using the ash like this, and then rolling like this.
No, and it separates it.
Yes. Set it together, and cut it.
Oh, you.
So fitting. Yeah. Every time I have to make it whole and trimming like this.
Okay.
Yeah. And now you get just longer.
And stronger. Yeah.
And
How long does it take for her to do like that?
this one she already do this morning.
Oh, how long does it take? A few hours?
Oh, a few hours, like 2 or 3 hours. Yeah.
Whoa.
Because every time you have to join one by one like this, and you have to join and try make sure they're strong, and then you rounding.
Wow.
Normally when you weaving, they will break.
She has more patience than me.
Yeah.
I couldn't do it.
What does she do with the leaves?
Smoke. Or sometimes
Or something.
for tea.
Yeah,
Tea.
for tea. Tea, that's good.
You also get high by drinking a tea?
What are they?
Pear.
They are pears, are they? They look like pears, but
These
they're
are
very
the
small
from
pears.
here. Chị ở như nói mấy nó là phọt à. Cái mua lại nó đi chị.
Don't be scared. Hello.
Gorgeous.
I don't kind of ways go inside.
Can you get
He's
through
got
there?
outside, does he?
Yeah. So here we got some more modern development. Little homestay. So we're getting back to civilization from the countryside, as you can see. Fresh fruit and vegetables. There's always a spa, not very far away from you. I could do with my feet actually being done after this long walk, because these Wellington boots are really not comfortable, and I had to empty out the water when I was in the restaurant. We have a barber.
So my village, so this one the school for my village, so my children they will school here. And this village really like 4,000 people, and we have to try living, we have Hmong and Zai living together here, so we have to try to different traditional clothes and to speak different language. So we have 70% Zai people and we have 30% Hmong people. So more this village we call a Zai village, but we have to try living together. Yeah, and we just in the tour here. Everything okay?
Lovely, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah.
And we have a great day too. Not too much rain, not too much sun.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you for call. So yeah, going inside. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. So if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching another Harry's Happenings. Thank you. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Take care.
Lovely. Thank you very much.